In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add media to your LinkedIn profile in the Experience section. This can be a great way to showcase your accomplishments and provide a visually engaging way for others to see your work directly on your profile. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to LinkedIn.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in. You have a few options for this. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply use your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone. This step is crucial for keeping your profile secure. So make sure to follow any instructions provided. Now that you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where your avatar picture is located. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select View Profile. On your profile page, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the Experience section. This is where you have the opportunity to highlight your professional history. So let's make it stand out. Next, identify the specific experience entry you'd like to enhance and click the pencil icon next to it. This icon allows you to make edits to the entry. Once you've clicked it, scroll down to find the Media section. You will see an option labeled Add Media. This is where the magic happens, so click on it. You can choose a file directly from your computer. This could be an image from a project, a document that showcases your credentials, or any other type of relevant media. Once you've selected your file, you also have the option to add a link. This feature is incredibly versatile, as it lets you paste in the URL of a video, a presentation, or even a website that you want to feature on your profile. After pasting the URL, go ahead and click Add. This will include the link in your Experience section, enriching it with dynamic content. Now, let's move to editing the title and adding a description for the media you've uploaded. This step is essential because it provides context for anyone viewing your profile. Make sure to use descriptive and engaging language to truly capture the essence of what you're showcasing. This will not only inform but also entice potential employers and connections. Once you are satisfied with the context you've provided, take a moment to review everything and ensure it looks perfect. When you're ready, click Save to lock in your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added media to your LinkedIn Experience section. This is a valuable way to enrich your profile, allowing potential employers and connections to see your work in a more visually appealing way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to keep enhancing your LinkedIn profile to reflect your best professional self.